Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Chef D, and today's recipe of the week, it's going to be a brunch and breakfast recipe, and they are going to be my gluten-free blueberry banana pancakes, but we're going to be making them healthy in a sheet pan and in an oven. 3 staple things that you need when you are going to make a big load of pancakes and you don't really have that time to be flipping and to have everything, you know, when you make pancakes, like you have to be on top of them. You have to make sure that they're not burning on, you know, either side. So this was the perfect recipe in my eyes when I'm like feeding a big crowd in brunch or breakfast. That's if I'm in a holiday, if my friends are coming over for brunch, or even if I'm taking care of a client and they have specific needs, meaning they want pancakes, it has to be healthy, you know, without dairy. This recipe really comes in handy because pretty much all these ingredients are going to get blended up minus the blueberries, and pretty much we're just going to place it in the oven and forget about it. You'll see in the instructions in that link, I have the exact measurements that you need to make this amazing recipe. Like I said, it is gluten-free. I did use gluten-free oats. This also is a non-dairy pancake recipe, which makes it that much more healthier, and it's perfect for those vegetarians that do eat eggs, because this recipe does have eggs, but trust me, it doesn't taste like eggs at all. Once you get those toppings and when those blueberries pop in your mouth when you're eating it, guys, I'm telling you, this recipe is just super amazing and super family friendly. You just stick it in the oven, forget about it. You can make, you know, your other eggs or your turkey bacon or something on the side and really forget about it and serve it with your favorite toppings. And I will see you next week. Ciao. Let's begin by preheating our oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. I definitely recommend you using the ripest bananas you have. Obviously, the riper the banana, the sweeter the batter will be. To make our mix, we are definitely going to be needing either a mixer, a blender, food processor, or just anything that will enable us to blend everything together. Let's add in our 1 cup of oats. For this recipe, I did use gluten-free oats, but honestly, you can use whatever you have available. I don't really want to make this really strict. I just want to make this reliable, easy, and fast. Let's add in our 3 large bananas. Like I said, if it's a ripe banana, it is going to be so much more better and so much more sweeter. Like you see in the videos, my banana was to a point of no return. Now let's add in our 6 large eggs. Now these eggs, they don't have to be room temperature. You can just literally take them out from the fridge and place them right into your blender. And don't worry, even though it's 6 large eggs, I promise you this recipe does really taste nothing like eggs at all. You're gonna be really surprised how delicious this comes out. Let's blend this up until smooth, and when I say smooth, I mean it is going to be a bit chunky, and that's perfectly fine. Usually this takes me about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're pretty much done with our batter. Also, I wanted to mention it's no big deal if you see in the batter there's still some whole oats there, and that's important. The main mission here is for the eggs to be completely whisked up and the bananas to completely be pureed. In a 9x13 baking sheet, add in your cooking spray of choice. Pour your batter onto the baking sheets, and this is pretty much the basis of your batter. Now we're going to be adding our lemon or lime zest, and make sure that when you're adding this zest, make sure you're spreading everything evenly among the batter. Now we're going to be scattering our blueberries onto the batter. The same thing, please spread them evenly among the batter. We want to make sure that every single time you get a bite of that beautiful pancake, you're at least getting 2 or 3 blueberries in that bite. And on another note, I don't know if I mentioned this, but if there is no fresh blueberries, you can definitely use frozen blueberries for this recipe. Look how beautiful this came out. And now the only thing that we have to do is place this in our preheated oven, and we're going to be baking this for 20 to 25 minutes. I do say 20 to 25 minutes because everybody's oven is different, so we just want to keep that in mind. The most important thing is that it's cooked through and the top is golden brown like you see here. Let's remove this from our oven and set it on your kitchen counter. We want to let this rest for 5 to 7 minutes, and then once it is a little bit cooled down, we're going to slice them into squares. And now we are done with our blueberry oats banana sheet pan pancakes. This recipe does serve 4, but if you're eating it right now, like I'm doing, just pair it off with your favorite toppings. And if not, you can definitely meal prep this. Just place it in an airtight container, place it in that fridge, and it will last you for up to 5 days. For my favorite toppings, I am adding a fresh yogurt on top, sliced strawberries because I am obsessed with that hot and cold combo, that tartness, and just the last addition, I'm adding a bit of agave syrup right on top. That really just makes it extra special and really those pancake vibes. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this breakfast and brunch recipe. If you did like it, please don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a share. I would really appreciate it because it does help out the channel. And I wish you a wonderful morning or a great night, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Ciao.